Hello! We're going to do now is unbox one of the best wireless headset in the market today. The White Void RGB Light Wireless Headset by Corsair with a 7.1 surround sound option. Nicely packed with a black and yellow box with a never miss a beat. It took 9 days from a click to door step bought from Lazada app for 5,749 pesos including delivery. The unit is premium looking and lightweight, which includes the Bluetooth dongle, the mouthpiece dead cat, the charging port, the manual. The microphone is movable and bendable, which is great because it's soft. When you turn it on, you will immediately see the RGB color on the Corsair logo, which can be manipulated later. You need to download the iQ or Corsair free downloadable application interface to connect to your device. You can play around with the 7.1 Dolby surround sound or set your equalizer settings. You can set the lighting effect to several options available like blinking, breathing, or pulsating. Using the micro USB, you can charge your unit and moving the on-off button and the volume rocker. You can also toggle the Dolby surround sound by pressing the volume rocker. Short review on the Corsair Wireless Headset. If you like more videos, please like and subscribe on our channels.